that just go out not so long ago. Very soon it's going to be trending everywhere, so don't waste so much time. Let's get to it. Link in the description box. Click on it and head to Telegram. So first things first, just like how dogs did to calculate your Telegram age and your information from other mini apps. As you can see here, this is probably not coin 103,000. I think I got, yeah, as you can see here, this is not coin, what I got in not coin. The next one is dogs. As you can see here, this is the exact amount of dogs I got. Oh my god, this is the exact amount of dogs I got. I don't know how they got this information, so you should know that they got a lot of backing. Okay, they have a lot of backing, so don't waste time on this airdrop. As you can see here, I didn't really do the hamster token, so let's just pass that one. As you can see here, I've joined Telegram for a year and some months now. So yeah, this is it. So let's click on gotcha and go do some tasks. So first things first, you want to join their community. Always join their community first. Don't waste time in joining their community. As you can see here, they have just 7.9k subscribers. I have done my best to bring this airdrop to you guys so early. Join this airdrop now so early. Don't miss out on it. Okay guys, as you can see here, this is my not drop. The amount I got from Notcoin. And as you can see here, these are what I got from the airdrops. So don't miss out on this. This is a very huge airdrop. Okay, a very huge airdrop. So we've joined their community. You go to the end page, and as you can see here, you just follow their channel. It's not hard. Claim, follow their Twitter, they just have 6,000 followers. All right, don't miss out on this airdrop. All right, it's a very huge airdrop. Okay, it's a very huge airdrop. Let's go. Don't miss out on it. Invite 10 friends. I don't think I have 10 friends already, so we connect our wallet. Let's quickly connect our wallet to Tonkeeper. So as you can see here, you just click on connect wallet and we are good to go. It will check and it will head us back to the Telegram mini app, and you just click on claim. And once you have 10 friends, you can come and claim that. As you can see the leaderboard, we have Victor, someone you know right there. Don't mind him. As you can see, a lot of people are actually joining. And a lot of people are joining more time. Okay, don't waste time. As you can see here, check the footprint map. All right, not much information right now, so I've done my best